Hey parents, what's up? It's me, Seth Perler. Welcome to Executive Function Lab. This June, we've got a lot of great things coming up, and I've got some calendars here for you. So we got two calendars. We have the list version of the calendar you can pop up on the refrigerator, or the calendar version of the calendar telling you everything that's coming up. I want to give you a little heads up about what's coming up. One, we have, as usual, we have polls. We have the Wednesday wins. You can ask people anything in the community. You can make friends with people who get it, other parents who have kids with executive function challenges. We have office hours twice live with me, Seth, this month. Those are recorded. Most of it's recorded and put into the library so that you can refer to all of these questions anytime you want. And we also have a workshop coming up. The workshop that we have coming up right here, this is the workshop of how to plan a summer that's fun and that prepares you for a great fall. So this summer is going to go by so fast, but you really want to plan with your child a summer that's fun. And meanwhile, during this workshop, your child can come to this workshop. But we want them to have a great summer, but we also want to be putting pieces in place so that this fall they have a smooth start with school and an awesome semester during school that addresses their executive function challenges. You can look in Executive Function Lab here. These are all of the events that are coming up this month here. So you can go ahead and take a look at that. You can look at the workshop library. This is where our new workshop is going to be held. If you missed the live workshop, you can see all of the old workshops here, or you can see the one that we're going to be doing this month here. And you can also check out all of the student tips. So as you know, each month I may create student tips for students so that you can share them with your child or not. But I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be giving you a really great executive function assessment that I use with people a lot. And you'll be able to use this with your child. And I'll be doing a student tip video for students to watch about that teaches them how to use that assessment if you choose to show that to them. I also will be talking about how and why it's so important for students to make a daily plan. And I'll be giving you my template for the daily plan. I will be teaching you, your child, the core questions that all successful students ask themselves when they plan each night. So I break this down in a really easy way for students. And I'll be sharing that PDF with you for that, as well as the video for students on that. I'll also be teaching about the SNO, the maintenance that I teach students to manage their executive function system so that they can save time and save energy. I'll be talking about the 4-step homework routine that I teach and whatever else we're going to be doing in the Executive Function Lab. But there's just a little teaser about what's going on. You can check on your schedules right here and RSVP in EF Lab. So just go into EF Lab, right into the events, and you can RSVP for everything right there. Want to wish you a great day and a great month coming up and challenge you to try to do everything on the calendar you can and see how that impacts you and your family and your child's life this month. And if you like what we're doing in Executive Function Lab, please share it with one of your friends today. I will see you soon. Take care, everybody.